In this call, we are going to cover the recent tab in Unaric Voice for Teams. So the recent tab here shows you your 5 most recent inbound or outbound calls using the Unaric Voice for Teams client. And it's just used as a quick way to either call somebody back that you know you've spoken to recently, a quick way to get into their contact record, and a quick way to edit a particular phone task. So for example, we have a call running here with John Smith with the contact record in the background. We have this is the test call to John Smith note in the phone notes field. What I'll do is I'll end this call. And if we go to the recent tab, we can now see the latest call. If we close the John Smith contact, if we click on John Smith's name, this hyperlink here is going to open the John Smith contact. And if you do the refresh in here, you're going to be able to see the call itself. This is a test call to John Smith. We can call John Smith back by clicking on the call icon here. So let's initiate the outbound call. So we can now see the outbound call that wasn't answered, and we can also see the outbound call, the previous one that was answered. Now inside of the phone task, you have the phone notes at the bottom in the comments field. So if we go back into the recent tab for this particular call and we click the edit pencil, this opens that particular phone task with the comments, so you have easy access into the phone task to be able to make any modifications, such as updating the phone notes.